Do you know that every checking point in Abia State right now, where you are passing them, you have to hands your hand up? This is currently what is going on as we are speaking now. Remember, say you still there for Pop Info News. Please share this video and make sure say you dey follow all our social media handles. We dey here, they bring you this update for you to dey know wetin dey go on for inside Abia State. We have been giving news update of the progress of the governor of Abia State, which is Choma Alex Oti, which is the good work is doing for Abia. But now, the people, the enemy of progress, have come in with different patterns. And this thing, they are trying to target to IPOB, which is IPOB have made a claim, say that everybody should disclaim that they don't have any hand in this that happened to Abia State. So the governor of Abia State should look if this is a political game playing so that the investors who are coming in Abia State will go away. Just watch the videos of what is happening.
This was the one that shot at you. Where was me?
Happening life at Abia Junction. Everybody, I can in at any checking post at Abia Junction. I'm not working. I'm not going to I can in. When I can in, yeah, you know when I can in. I have off. Akanenu. Go daddy. Yeah, I know now. My work my one. Okay, I know now. I can't be named. I got God. My problem is what you think I can do. I get in my life now. At Abia Junction, Abia State. I have. Many other things that happening. I know. I can't do what can I want. I got it. I am alive.
Okay, my people, this is the situation of Abia State as we dey talk right now, and many videos they come starting from now. So I want you to leave your own opinion in a comment section. But what will they talk? According to the first video we will drop, try go watch them. They say that many communities, even far away from where these things happen, is under siege by this army. Then the question is that in the north yesterday, they buy one, I think, one army, and they buy so many other people for inside that place. But why are they not making this move over there? But we'll come to something in Southeast. They want to show us power, what is actually happening. And the worst part of it is that most of our people are in there working with these people. However, I'm going to play the video of what the leader of Ohaneze Ndigbo said before we come back and proceed.
One, Nnamdi Kanu is not in support. Nnamdi Kanu is not in support of this question of law that people should go, people should start up. on today. He's not know about it. I'm sad, very sad that in Igbo land, where I am now presiding as a leader, that some people can come and kill two. I hear 2 soldiers have been killed somewhere. These are people who are carrying the banner of Nigeria. These are people who have brought out their life for us. And it is very sad. We regard it as a criminal matter. Igbos are not happy about it, and we are very sad about it. Nnamdi Kanu is not happy about it. And in fact, this is the more reason why we plead that our President Tinubu should take political action to release him. Because if he is released, nobody will now have any excuse whatsoever. We will now know who is a criminal and who is not a criminal. So it's not only Nnamdi Kanu, and this is not the first time. Let's go back into history. And you see, we have been talking about the structuring of this country. And I want to take this opportunity again to call Tinubu to take a serious look, an immediate look into the structuring of this country. Until this country is structured to enable people to develop within their capacity, within their potentials, so that people should in fact be able to harvest and exploit God-given potentials in their places. And then the power of federal government should be reduced. The federating units should be given more power.